Right guys, so this is the river here. This is the cemetery and the abbey. We've just come back from that way up here. Basically we walk along the road, down onto that path and then right round to get to the Strud. No. So once we've been and seen the Strud, because we were just looking at the map then, and there's only one side you can actually access the Strud at, and that's this side where we're going to. We'll walk past the Strud, and then we'll carry on up, cross this fancy bridge, up top, past the Strud, come back down the other side. There's a big circular route, one big circular route. Then once we come back down the other side, we'll go head up to the waterfall that we've found on the map. And we're going to try get a... You can't find it. I might just get an extra can of pop from here, love. Do you want an ice cream?
Yeah, I'm good.
You don't want one? Why not? Yeah.
Sticky.
Oh! Right. We are here. We're going to follow the green path right the way up to the Strud. Film the Strud for you. Come up along here. We might cross that one and come back, but we might go right up to Borden Bridge and then come back down the opposite side, cross this other bridge, and then we go up this path here to this waterfall here. The Valley of Desolation, and that's where we're in. This is the Strud.
And then here is what to look out for.
What you got to look out for is mad cows.
Pumpkin trail.
Mad cow.
You got one here. Trout and grayling.
You're a little trout, aren't you, babe? Right, beer time. Come on.